Jamrock Home. Presence. Disrespectful Boss. Jamaican Movie 2023. Starring Sister Petra. Ethic Boss.
Them people them no easy, you know, man. Say one Josiah, she no easy, you know. I can't tell my boss say, me must clean up dog shit. I went time and do them something, I look down for you through your yard now, you know. I never come here to clean up the dog shit in the yard, you know. What she really take me for? Every morning, as people come and work, she a peep through window. Oh. Can't wait for left this and get a better job, you know. As daylight you come in, make sure say you clean up the dog dude in the yard. What kind of style them, man? She now have 2 sons in her house so she can go get them clean it up before me come and work. Just to me have my youth, them I go to school, make me all do all of them work here, you know. But then soon if you get smarty, come do all of them dirty work here, you know. She have 2 big boys in her house, all them do is sit down in her house and play a game and they on tablet every day. The dog shit in her yard, then come here and come clean it up before me come and work. She don't even know where in my heart, you know. Where she gone?
Mr. Errol? Mr. Errol, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm okay.
You know, I've been watching you from inside from long time, me and my husband, and we see you at the same spot. You don't intend to move?
I see you through the window, ma'am.
You see me through the window? Then if you see me through the window, you have no respect for me because I see you standing up at the same spot.
Mommy, me just done rate the yard already.
Where you rate the yard and the yard don't look clean?
Ma'am, see the rake here when me rate the yard for a morning.
I don't want you to show me anything. And what, you're disrespecting me? Is disrespect, you're disrespecting me?
No, ma'am.
Anyway, I come out here to find out because I don't see Miss Petra come to work as yet. And now it's 8 o'clock on the dot.
She don't come as yet, ma'am.
Why she's not on the premises?
Ma'am, me and Petra no live the same place. See how the rain come there, so me have to go in the gardener house.
Go in the gardener house, go do what? You're not going in the gardener house because you're not finished outside. And when you came, I was watching through the window. I don't see you go and clean up the dog shit as yet.
Ma'am, every morning me I come and I do them type of... Ma'am, so I'm to your son.
What you mean by wanting to my son? Me king them? You're out of order. So tell me something. Isn't that what you come here for, to clean up my mess?
No, ma'am, I come here to weed up the banana tree and chop the yard and then so never come here to clean up dog mess, ma'am.
Listen, well, that's a part of the job. And let me tell you something. I notice you chopping and you see you chop off the head of... What is wrong with your young man? You can't see? Something is wrong with your eye?
Mama, wild papaya tree.
It's not wild papaya. It's my papaya tree that me plant there. You chop off the head of it. You know that you're getting on top of my last nerve, you know, that young man. You know that? You're getting on top of my nerve because it's obviously, it's like you cannot manage the job anymore. Is something bothering you?
You can't manage the work,
no, but it look like you cannot manage your job, and not only that, like you have problem and you carry the problem.
No, ma'am, but as me come this my yard, tell me to clean up dog mess. Ma'am, that no look right, you know.
I don't see anything wrong with it. What is wrong if you go and clean up the dog shit then, for me? Huh? Nothing is wrong with that. And if you don't want the work, somebody else out there would love to take it. You understand what I'm saying? And you know what? Miss Petra getting on top of my last nerve as well, you know. Both of you, it look like I have to do away with both of you because I just don't understand. She come to work late. It's after 8 now, she still don't come. You not doing a good job from it because as you enter my house, you should have gone and deal with the dogs. You don't do it. So as far as I see it, you don't like your work anymore.
I like my work, and I have my children, them I go to school in a month.
Okay, you have your children and all of that. That's not my problem. That's not my problem. My problem is that you come to work, you're supposed to do what you come to do. And I just, you're chopping and I'm talking to you.
Mom,
Mr.
anytime I done, me clean up the dog
Mr.
mess.
Errol, Mr. Errol.
Mom, anytime I done, me clean up the dog mess.
I am
Me just
talking
try
to
to clear it
yes,
here
you're
so
trying to
first.
clear and you let a little stone hit me. You let a little stone hit me and you said you want the job to take care of your hungry God pick me then.
Mom, I'm sorry, Mom.
Mr. Errol, I don't know. I just can't deal with you. I am going to discuss you with my husband when I go inside. Because if you come to work and you're not doing the exact thing that we expect you to do, it don't make any sense, Mr. Errol.
Mom, I'm sorry, Mom.
Don't make any sense.
I'm sorry, Mom.
So your parents don't teach you that when anybody at all talking to you and you're working, you must stop and look at them and look in their eyes, and so you will know if they're telling a lie or whatever.
Yes,
you
Mom,
didn't know
but
that.
you want to hurry up and clean up this before the rain, see all the rain all that come down.
It's just
Mom.
doing, it's not going to fall. Mr. Errol, I don't know. I just can't take you anymore. You're getting on top of my last nerve. But anyway, I'm coming out of the rain. When Petra comes, I will deal with her case. You hear me?
Come on, me can't go in the yard house.
Here where you are and finish what you're doing, and then you go and deal with the dogs before you come out of the rain. You hear what I said?
Oh, okay, Mom.
All right.
You know what kind of work this rain and fall and me can't come out of the rain. No. I'm not going to stay at them place here too long, you know. So, every day is the same. Every day the same thing when we come to work, you know. Look there. Look what people have to put up with. Rain and fall on me out here at work and me can't go in the yard house. You know, say God I go see me through this, you know. You know, say God I go see me through this.
Jeremiah,
Yes, my wife.
come here. Hurry. I'm in the bedroom.
I'm coming, my wife.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Come on, sit down with me. Hurry up, man. We have a serious problem. Come, sit with me, man. No, sir, something just not right here.
Back here, my wife.
You're back? Oh, hush, my husband.
So what is it?
What is it? Okay, I go outside a while ago and I see Mr. Errol. I peeped through the window from morning, and when I look, he was at the same place from morning. So I go out there and I said, Mr. Errol, good morning. I said, I noticed that you're at the same place from morning. And he's arguing with me, you know, telling me that he wasn't at the same place, he was raking up the yard and all of that.
So what you really saying, my wife?
What I'm trying to say to you.
Errol back on sign you?
Oh my God, you don't hear anything yet? Errol fling down the rake when I was talking to him. They show me that he's a bad man.
So that means that Errol become a man now and he want to leave the yard.
That's what I'm saying to you. And not only that, while I'm talking to Errol, you know, Errol chopping and let one of his stone lick me on my foot, you know.
So why you didn't dismiss him at once? Why you still make him out there working?
The reason why I
Remember, are you in charge, you know, my wife?
Thank you, my husband.
Right?
I know that.
Why you didn't get rid of Errol?
The reason why I didn't get rid of him immediately is because he didn't finish his work. You know that when I said to him that, Mr. Errol, I've been watching you and I noticed that you don't go clean up the dog shit.
So from morning, when we go there and we see Errol don't clean it up.
I know it is at the same place.
So what Errol doing in the garden? That is the first thing he's supposed to clean. That if anybody come in the yard, they don't buck up on that.
That's what I'm saying. And when I'm saying it to him, he almost beat me off out there because he's explaining to me that he don't come here for that.
You see what I'm saying, my wife? You see these agency, when you call them and them send people to your yard, they don't investigate them and check out them background properly, you know.
That's what I'm saying.
And make them know exactly what they're coming here to do, you know.
That's the same thing I was saying to myself. And
I don't know that coming yard now work.
No, he don't know that obviously.
No,
because
it seems like he want me to go out there and do it.
I would want you to deal with him, because if he's standing up and arguing with me and pretending as if I wasn't there, and not only that, my husband.
What is
when I look on the time, you notice that it's 8:30 going to 9 now. Miss Petra don't reach here as yet.
No man, my wife. No man. So everybody slacking now.
Yes, they need to tighten up.
They're running free like a wild animal.
That's what
because
I'm saying.
them running the show here.
Yes.
No, my wife. Listen to me. We have to get to the bottom of this, you know. We have to let them know that they are just workers and they can.
Are just.
Listen to me. They can replace in just
a snap. Not only that, as you were talking about replace, you know that Mr. Errol tell me that me must make me boy them go clean the dog shit.
Stop right there. What you saying?
I said Mr. Errol.
Our king?
Our king should go clean the dog shit before him come to work. You know, sister, him passing him nest.
My wife, you put a rage right there so you know me wife.
A rage should be there. A rage should be there.
You mean that Errol is downgrading our children?
Yes, him look on them like them is crap. Him said them fi go clean the dog shit before him come to work.
My wife, we need to get rid of Errol. Because he's
them.
not going to be here and disrespect our children like that.
I am saying the same
You
thing.
understand what I'm saying,
And also
wife?
Miss Petra, I don't want Miss Petra here from the very first time Miss Petra come here.
I know this every time she cleaning every morning that girl coming in the house. Oh Lord, oh.
Singing praise, but he's praising the
I
Lord.
don't want any praises in the house.
I talked to her over and over about it and she don't want to listen to me. I said, don't come into my house praising the Lord.
But what I'm saying, my wife,
and she
listen,
insists
my
to do
wife,
it.
listen to me. I noticed that I hear you talk to her more than one time and it's like that she patronizing you.
She is patronizing me.
She talking about she's not singing loud. But if you tell her to desist from it, she's supposed to stop.
Immediately. But obviously she don't have any respect for me. And I'm telling you, my husband.
She don't know that it's we of the angle and she of the blade. So anytime we can enjoy it and she get cut.
And she don't care as far as I see because she says that she never stop praising her God in our house.
Well, she cannot stay here.
I am telling you, she just.
So when time we meet up with them and tell them, you know, if we don't see any changes in them, you know, my wife. Finish.
Yes,
Right off.
Just yes.
The end. You understand?
Yes, my husband. And just to look at her, I don't know. There's something when you look at her, I just don't know.
Something that's irritating me.
It irritates me. Me can't be a official when she come a morning time. Just to look on her countenance.
Finish.
Yes, she just
right off. End. That's what I'm feeling also.
Yeah, she changed the atmosphere in the house, man, and she just give me goosebump when me see her they come, man. I think we have them here too long, you know, because she disturbing us. She disturbing us. I don't know what kind of spirit she they carry, but me not like it.
No, I don't like it. Hear what's going to go on, right?
Yes, my husband.
Make some breakfast, right?
Yeah, okay.
So when time Petra come, I will deal with Petra. You understand?
You think you can manage her?
Listen to my wife. Make me run this show. You deal with the gardener, and if one time he done and go out and see that dog messing up, it's right there and finishing up.
Send him away.
Right there,
away with him. I can't deal
so
with him.
make him out there, the peace soup.
Yes.
And he will see what takes place.
And you know what he says to me? Him go on like him don't want the work. Him tell me say, him no want losing work because him picnic them hungry. He want feed him
so
hungry.
So if him picnic them hungry, what's that have to do with the two of us?
Because him need
we
to
get
work.
them?
It look like how we get them, so we fi mind them. That's why we should send him home. Him go dead fi hungry with them too, you know.
Well, if him don't want to shape up, you know. Huh. My wife, let's go make the breakfast.
Alright, my husband.
I will stay right here until that Petra character come in here because it seems like she's in a cartoon movie.
Oh my God.
When she comes, I will be right here.
Yes, man. Sit down
getting out of hand.
Yeah, man, you can't go to people's place working and they said no singing, don't do this, and they're doing it as if it's their place. I can't deal with it anymore.
When that Petra character come, my wife,
She
will be finished if she not shape up.
Okay, my husband. Alright, I'm going to make your breakfast. Errol! Tingle the fire in me, Lord Jesus.
Tingle the fire with me, Lord Jesus. The woman not tell her that she don't want you sing in her yard.
Shut up, mouth, I hear this. The journey my long, but for you me we wait, me we bear your disgrace and humiliate. No, give up on Christ through them losing faith. Hey, yeah.
Listen to me, listen
Where your
to
problem?
me.
Where your
Petra,
problem?
Josiah just come out here a while ago,
What
you
you
know.
come out here for? What your problem now?
Come out here disgrace me, I talk about say me must clean up the little dark shit where they there so.
No go so. Yeah, idiot. Seriously. Me not believe that. Miss Josiah tell you
She
to
come
go
out
clean
here
dog
so a
shit.
while ago
How
and
are
I
you
say
know?
about say after 8 and you know come. So when time you
lucky.
going there, me sorry for you.
Sorry for me, sorry for
Oh.
yourself. Who you are talking? But look here.
I talk
Me
about say
have
she
no
all
vehicle.
I talk about say she go fire me.
Fire you for what?
So just to me
Look
not
here.
clean up the dark shit and she have 2 boys in there.
But
Why me come here this morning early, first thing we greet me I and me know say from morning the boy then come out here. Them not just take a shovel and clean it up.
Oh, you mean so? Me
I
not
come and talk
understand.
about say
Look
about
here.
if I care king them, me want to do
Me
that.
not believe that. Me not believe that she would have stooped that low on this.
Bright, she bright
So
and
why you say my
Facebook.
youth? You gonna make that the old woman, that the old witch there, what come from foreign, come disgrace the country about to clean up dog shit and not for them dog, but them not clean up that one dog shit. My youth, you know, say me not like how you go on. Put on the rake and you know you me a chat to you. What you rake about? You know, say you make
Listen me.
them come out here and go on so.
I true me
Are
want
you-
to keep my job enough. From morning.
Give me this
Listen
one,
me now.
you idiot.
You
Move
can't
fire,
put
so.
on the rake.
Oh, you mean say me
She
can't
get
put
this
on
stuff from
so
morning
what
watch
make
me.
she did that? Me business she watch. It's you make my
Me
you
want
love
my
the thing,
job. Listen me want my
you know
job.
say uno make them come from foreign and treat people. So you're boss is slave. Me say if you're boss is
Me
you're boss
want my
is slave.
job.
Now you stop making woman go like you're a puppet, you're a puppet. You're a puppet. She have woman stop going like you're idiot now. You know say it's uno make them people that come from foreign and treat you so. Uno you know you're idiot boy. Eh? She come tell you so to clean up dog shit. What should have make her king them what in there? Go clean up the dog shit. Eh? You come here and rake and kill yourself for them work. And them for do them dirty work. Since I saw them want to treat people like slave. You know, no sense.
And my
And why you
youth,
say-
listen me and my youth, them a go to
So
school and
because
me
you
not
have-
see no other way out. Me
Yeah.
not see no other way out.
Alright.
When time them fire me and me go to my yard, where them get food from?
Oh, you mean so when they get food? Go plant your man banana. Go plant your man banana.
How
and
long them they go
and
take
uno-
for ready?
Well, if you did a plant it before, this won't happen. And that's what wrong in a Jamaica today, you know. That's what wrong. You see, some of you young people, want to make people tell you all kind of stuff, sit down and take it down, you don't put a stop into
You
it.
can talk
You
anyway,
don't-
you know,
oh, you mean so
because
me
you
can't-
have way out, you know, me no
Me
have
don't
none.
have no way out, but that nothing for me. Say me I gonna make nobody walk by me. Me is no boss slave. Slavery day is done, my
You
youth.
talk
Them
stout
can't
now.
leave. Listen me.
Listen me,
Talk stout
you are
now, what
talk
you
to
mean?
me stout now because I know me have the angle, you know. You understand? And them have it and me have the blade. You the time you there start chat to me, you that try run go in
One day I
before
run going for me, you talk.
then
Man,
get
you-
rid of you.
Get rid of me.
Oh.
So what me then get rid of me? After me never know that the only job there, and not only that, me never know that they make me a breathe and a survive. And Jesus Christ make me a live and survive. And all along I gotta take care of me. So why me I go make them
Petra,
feel like them blow breath in
Listen
my
to what
body?
me I say,
I
Petra.
go them for boy.
Petra, you go on in because you not go stay here and hold up my time and make them fire me, you know. You go on into them.
You know,
If
say
you say me
you're
go there
real.
and chat with you, make them come say, me there a chat with you and make me lose my work.
You know, say you're
Me
real.
want my
idiot.
work.
You're idiot. You're idiot.
Excuse me, me clean up
Move
yourself.
fire, sir. I wanna come go on and make them go on like say they come from foreign and go on like they want these people. You're
You
idiot.
can
Stop
talk
it, people
what you
holding
want to
down in a
talk,
slave.
say.
My
You
youth,
love my job.
you love your job, but look here, you can't make them hold down in a slavery, my youth. You know, say you know, say the slave driver them. What them call them? Them have one name to call them. The one them what wear the brown uniform. Them say when me down at the hotel, what the word that they use?
Bucky master.
The Bucky Master, you make them Bucky Master, yeah. Come on at this, you my youth. You see, if you stand up on the foot, you know that them something around the happen so long.
Well,
Them
me
something
not see
that
no
put
way
the happen.
out, so me can't stand up on my foot
My
right now.
youth.
When the time come when me can talk like you.
You know
Just
say,
go on in and
me
and
don't know
go
why
in
me
there.
stop and talk
Me no
to you.
want to
Me-
make them there and watch me and you like say me there and me nah do nothing. Me I do my work.
What the idiot, no? You're a little idiot. You want to fool in the youth. What
You
you
talk
look
what you want to
You
talk,
look
say no Petra.
menke. You want menke?
Yeah, that's what you
No!
call it.
Look here, let me tell you something. Me want them say that to me. Tell me. If you do certain things what me not supposed to do, you will hear it. I go ahead and go and go back for them one day. Then come a Jamaica
bad
and come
woman
this.
Petra.
Yeah,
I mean,
so
what's
what?
when time
Just
they attack
because
you
they say-
later on, you soft like
Who
like,
soft?
like Granny Camille
Alright,
porridge.
you will hear about it. Who is them? And I think for them place, come here, say I rent them rent it. You don't hear how much people come and I take picture with we over here. I rent the house and then go like they for them.
Well,
You don't
them
hear
a
about
pay
it.
me.
And you go like you know no sense.
Me say, and them a pay me, so.
You don't hear how much people stand up at the and take with picture and know what we are doing and go to do. You don't hear say the boss that foreign and want our place. And you see them come and country so say, you're idiot boy.
Well, if them
You're
decide
idiot.
say them a move,
Well-
me want to move with them because me not see no other way out.
My God, why you a disgrace to black? You is a disgrace to black. I
Petra, just go on and stop antagonize me, no
Why?
man. Let me do my work in peace,
Go
no?
on, leave me. You're a disgrace.
Go on, no man, and leave me alone, man.
Watch him now. Boss is slave.
You are going to make me lose my bread. It's not easy. You can talk and you have your way out. When time me go there and my hungry belly pick me them, I start bawling my ears. You not go there to hear it, and me alone. You can go and talk. Good morning, Miss Petra.
Good morning, Mr. Jeremiah. How are you today?
What my wife tell you about the humming in the house? Huh?
But I'm not humming loud, sir.
You know that my wife talked to you more than one time about the humming in the house.
But sir, I'm not humming loud.
Every single morning you come to work, you're humming. Huh?
So, sir,
Don't it tell you that we don't want to hear that in the house?
Yes, sir, but what's wrong? What's wrong with it?
We
How
talk
come I not do it loud?
What are you trying to do? You're patronizing me?
Sir, I'm not patronizing you just because me explaining myself, sir. I'm patronizing you, sir.
Let me talk to you right now. I don't want any more humming from you in this house. You hear what I said? I'm talking to you.
Okay, sir.
And this shirt. What is the writing? I don't think I tell you that we don't want any writing on your shirt. It should be a plain white shirt when you come
Yes,
here.
sir, but because me not have any plain white shirt, sir, the two one me have dirty. So me see
Listen
this
to
one
me,
and
Miss
it have
Petra.
black on
Miss
it.
Petra, don't it would pay your weekend?
Yes, sir.
Why you didn't take out a money out of it and buy a plain white shirt?
Sir,
Any shirt you're supposed to wear is a shirt that we hand to you with the design.
sir, can I...
Don't come back to work with that thing on your shirt. Right?
Okay, sir. Sir, can I say something, sir? Can I say something? Sir, I have two white shirts, sir, and them dirty. So me take up this white shirt with the black writing on it and say, well, a black and white because they say if you wear black and white,
I
sir.
tell you the instruction from your come on the interview. Plain white shirt without no pattern. And that is what we tell you to do, and that's the rule here. So if you can't abide by the rule, go.
Sir, see me I try abide by the rule, so me not fi come with no bag big, only the bag what can only hold my phone and my key. And me can't find no bag and me try to carry one small bag, because you say me not fi carry no big bag come at your place, sir. So me I try
Petra. I know you're not listening now. Some of the time I wonder how you learn, you know. Some of the time I wonder how you learn, you know.
Sir, you give me an
When
instruction,
me I try
sir,
to tell you, say, I tell you that it's plain white shirt, no writing.
So,
You get pay a weekend, right? You buy a couple shirts out of it. If you don't want to work, don't come here. You don't have to come here, you know, because you can be replaced. Like that. You don't have to come here. So you don't have to come here with your humming or whatsoever you're calling it. And this distracting it.
distracting uno.
Right?
Sir, me not distract uno, me just to myself.
I don't want to hear what you have to say. I don't want to hear what you have to say. Well, I don't want to hear that in this house. This house is not a house of worship. So I'm making it clear to you right now, since you can't get it in this thick skull of yours. This is not a house of worship, and I don't want it in here.
Alright.
This morning, what I want you to do, I need you to clean the toilet, because you're not using enough bleach in the toilet. We still see in the rim, still have the little brown thing.
So, sir, why when you not use it, you not spray it with bleach or something, sir?
Petra? Petra?
Yes, sir. I'm not the one
I'm not going to
use
argue
it, sir.
with you
I
no
clean
more.
it in the morning, sir. Sir, can I say something,
Petra,
sir?
what I am saying to you right now, because Miss Sisse, this house belongs to you.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
I tell you, sir, when you clean the toilet, today, get out the brown out of the bowl.
Sir, may
Right?
I say something to you, sir? Can I just say something, sir, and don't think that I am patronizing you or disrespecting you, sir? Sir, you have to remember up here that it's not me use the toilet in the day or in the night, sir. It's you, your wife, and your picnic them. So, sir, if there's brown in there, it must be Uno put the brown in there. I clean it and leave it, sir. And all you have to do is buy the sitting them have to dig out the brown out of it, sir. Uno not have to they come disrespect me, say brown in there, and if you go dig out it, sir. What you want me to do?
Duty.
What you want me to do? Scrub it with me hands, sir.
If it's that it come down to them, that is your duty, and that is what you come here for. You is a plain maid, and that's what me hire you to do, right? To
Okay,
clean the
sir.
bathroom and clean the house, make it spotless,
Okay, sir.
right?
Well, as
And
I
you
was...
need to do something with that ear. It's not acceptable here,
Okay, sir.
right? It's
I
not
never have
acceptable.
nobody to comb it for me, sir.
You know, say I should just get somebody. I should call back that agency, you know, and fire you right now, you know.
Sir, if
And
that you
that-
want to, sir, me no see nothing wrong with that. Because me not go have you they disrespect me and they tell me, okay. So when we
Petra,
do
just
the
come out
interview,
of Petra,
sir,
come out of my
when we
side.
do the
Petra,
interview, sir, you said to me,
come
me no
out
fi
of
carry
my
no bag
side,
come here.
please.
Me no fi carry no bag come here, me fi carry one little bag what can hold on go phone and one key. And sir, me feel say that when disrespectful, sir, me make
Petra,
sure carry the bag here.
come out of my side and go clean the toilet. I don't know what to take place in this yard here, you know. A common maid, a backhands me. Me have to get rid of her, man. She a get to my last nerve, man. Imagine me tell a little girl, say, clean out the wall because brown in there. That for sure say she not doing a good job in the house. Not a good job, you know. She come this morning with the humming. And me tell her, say, I don't want any humming in the house, and she still at home. She think this place is fair. I know I go and suit her sorrow and heal her wound this morning. I better say I heal her wound.
The work you get to my brain, you know, man. Me love this sitting think, man. Every morning I same thing. If you come here, sir.
Mr. Errol,
Yes, ma'am.
you don't creep up the mess and throw it away as it.
That me the man.
You see, you let me leave my husband breakfast to come here, come see what you're
Why you
doing.
come out here, ma'am? And you say I work, me I work.
Because I'm making sure that you get rid of it. And you see, when you finish that, there's a big tree down by the bottom. I want you to trim it up for me. You hear? And
Yes.
chop off some of the limbs.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good.
Ethic alongside Sister Petra. long, but for you me wait. You will bear your disgrace and humiliate. No give up and Christ who them losing faith. Me stand firm and just a cruising straight. When the trumpet sound, me be the first at the gate. With the lantern lights, sweet home celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last straight in my vein.
Tingle the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Tingle the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over. Give me a new heart and make over. Hey, tingle the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Tingle the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over. Give me a new heart and make over. Yeah.
What is a bitter man to gain the world and lose his soul? No repentance in the grave, I just run through your bone. Me a praise my Lord and I use my tone. Oh Lord, you